Wanted to make awesome looking overlays for OBS like this? Yes, now you can. You need Kdenlive Video Editor version 23.8.3 or above, and recently the devs fixed the alpha or transparency profiles. What that means, now you don't have use any green screen or chroma key effect anymore. Which helps a lot with backgrounds that have green color in it. Next you need is Libreoffice. Why Libreoffice? Well, specifically we need Draw. I found Libreoffice Draw very simple for this task. Yes, you can achieve same in Photoshop, GIMP, Illustrator or Inkscape. My goal here is to make any new streamer, to launch faster with less effort and, for free. First let's begin by downloading animated background video. You can download free from Pixabay or Pexels. Next we need to make a frame. Open LibreOffice Draw. For this video I wanted to make a very simple animated border frame. You can be creative. Change the page size to on-screen 16 by 9. Orientation to landscape. And margin to none. Next, create frame. Select and draw frame. Resize to full screen. Adjust thickness. Change fill color to white and line to none. Then finally export it as PNG. Make sure transparency is selected. Here modify dimensions as 1280 by 720 pixels. Change as per your requirement. Open Kdenlive. Import both frame and animated background video. Insert frame into the timeline and then video below it. Expand frame till the end of background video. Then under composition, add effect multiply here in between. Stretch the effect till the end of video. Let's see how it looks. Then render the video with Alpha Render Profile Alpha VP9. Save anywhere you want, but remember the file location. Click on Render. Let it render. After rendering is complete, close Kdenlive. Open OBS Studio, under Source, drag and drop frame and then add your webcam or game capture. Just for this demo, I am adding another video clip making as if player is gaming. Make sure it is below the animated frame. Toggle the eye icon for animated frame to appear and also set it to loop. And that's it, you are done. Now you can completely do it using only free and open source software. If you liked the tutorial, then whenever you start your first stream using this tutorial, be sure to share the link in the comment. And also don't forget to like if you like it or dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe for more videos. I will see you next time. Bye.